Hello guys, so you are welcome guys. I will take you on this workout. Thank you for joining. Guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this workout, aerobic workout for weight loss at home, right there in your house. Guys, you will lose weight with me. Let's go. Guys, this exercise is the exercise you need to burn fat at home without even going to the gym. Guys, you saw it. This is just exercise you need to burn fat at home without going to the gym. Guys, make sure you do like, subscribe, stay tuned.